A man was arrested after being accused of breaking into people's homes and stealing food from their refrigerators in Stillwater. Fox 25's Grant Palmer has the details.
In the early morning hours last Sunday, an Oklahoma State University fraternity member allegedly broke into duplexes in this neighborhood and was apparently pretty hungry while doing so.
Even though this one was still kind of scary, it was more shocking because it was just food that they were taking.
That's Tacey Stroud's reaction to the news of recent break-ins at this set of duplexes here in Stillwater. TJ Lau with the Stillwater Police Department says the victims didn't find out this had happened until the next morning.
One of the victims that lives in that residence was just checking her security footage and observed a unknown white male inside their residence going through her refrigerator. It's just kind of a weird deal to wake up to see on your camera.
But Lau says it didn't just happen to one residence.
The resident, I believe, next door, a couple of houses down from that victim, also checked their cameras and noticed that the same white male had entered their house too and went through their refrigerator as well.
And even though the incidents were described as break-ins on social media, Lau tells me both residences that were hit were left unlocked, which was news to Stroud.
I hadn't heard that, but I do know a lot of people do leave their doors unlocked and their cars unlocked, so I wasn't too surprised that it happened again, honestly.
Lau says it wasn't too hard for police to confirm the identity of the food thief, 20-year-old Joshua Krieger.
There was some profanity left on one of the whiteboards in reference to one of the fraternity houses. The officer was able to go back and talk to some of the fraternity members and were able to get a positive identification from that picture that they got from the Ring camera.
Lau says the suspect was arrested on first-degree and second-degree burglary and is out on a $2,000 bond. Reporting in Stillwater, Grant Palmer, Fox 25 News.